Hello traders, in this video we are looking at the CCI Stochastic Indicator for MT4 and MT5. This is a combined momentum tool that brings the commodity channel index CCI and the stochastic oscillator together, helping you spot overbought and oversold conditions with extra confirmation in a single indicator. Let me load up the indicator on the screen so we can have a view of what it looks like. On MT4 and MT5, a CCI stochastic indicator plots both CCI and stochastic value in a single sub-window so you can see when they agree about market extremes. As you can see on the chart, typical buy conditions appear when CCI drops into its oversold zone around -100, while the stochastic oscillator is also near its oversold band around 20 and starts to turn up. As you can see on the chart here, this is an oversold condition, while here overbought condition. We show the retracement in both situations. Typical sell conditions form when CCI is above 100, and stochastic is near or above 80 or turning down. This alignment helps filter out weaker one indicator signals since you are waiting for both momentum tools to reach similar extreme zones before considering action. The CCI period defines how quickly CCI reacts to price changes. Short periods are more responsive and noisy, while longer periods are smoother but slower. If we go to its settings, we can see its period for both the CCI and stochastic, and we can adjust it to suit our trading style. The stochastic settings such as 533 by default control how the percentage K and percentage D are calculated and smoothed, shaping how cleanly you see stochastic swings inside the shared window. The CCI stochastic indicator is ideal for traders who like to trade from overbought and oversold zones and want two classic oscillators combined in one place for clearer momentum confirmation. It's a visual analysis tool only, does not execute trades, and works best when its signals are combined with support and resistance zone or levels, trend direction, and risk management rather than being used alone. You can download the CCI Stochastic Indicator for MT4 and MT5 using the link in the description below. It gives you a compact dual oscillator view so you can wait for CCI and oscillator, the stochastic oscillator, to line up before considering potential entries from extreme conditions. If you found this helpful, remember to subscribe to the Forex Geek, like this video, and turn on notifications for more MT4 and MT5 indicator breakdown.